In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with QuickBooks. This seamless connection will enhance your workflow, ensuring that your project management on Monday.com aligns perfectly with your accounting needs in QuickBooks. So, let's dive right in and get your systems working harmoniously. First, open your browser and navigate to Monday.com. If you haven't already, log in with your credentials. It's crucial to have access to the correct account to carry out this integration smoothly, so double-check that you're in the right place before proceeding. Once you're in, you need to head over to your board's top right corner. Here, you'll find either an Automate or Integrate option. Clicking on this will open up a world of possibilities for linking your tools and enhancing your processes. Be mindful of the options available here, as they are tailored to streamline different aspects of your workflow. Now, in the integration window, type in QuickBooks into the search bar. This will filter through various options and present you with the QuickBooks integration icon. Click on that, and you'll see that Monday.com offers a variety of templates to jumpstart your integration setup. You'll need to choose an integration template that corresponds with the workflow you wish to implement. Consider what best suits your needs, like setting up to create a customer or an invoice. Remember, selecting the right template is a pivotal step that defines the efficiency of your connection. Moving on, click on your QuickBooks account within this integration setup, and you'll see an option to Connect. Doing so will redirect you to Intuit's website. Here, you'll need to sign in and authorize this new link. This step is essential as it grants the appropriate permissions for the two platforms to communicate effectively. After you've authorized the connection, return to your Monday.com account. Now comes the part where you map specific fields from Monday.com to QuickBooks and vice versa. This mapping ensures that data will flow accurately and reliably between the two systems. For example, if customer names in Monday.com correspond to client profiles in QuickBooks, you'll want to ensure they are linked correctly so there's no mix-up or data loss. And there you have it. With these steps complete, you've successfully integrated Monday.com with QuickBooks. This connection not only saves time, but also reduces the potential for errors by syncing information between your project management and accounting systems. Take some time to test the integration with a few entries, ensuring everything is in sync and working as expected. This little check can go a long way in confirming your setup is solid. Enjoy the enhanced efficiency and accuracy this integration offers, and make the most out of your productive tools working together seamlessly.